Mishka Cup.
There stands a little house in the field. A mouse runs by, sees the house, stops and asks,
Little house, who lives in the little house?
No one answers. The mouse goes inside and starts living there. A frog hops up to the house and asks,
Little house, who lives in the little house?
I do, the mouse. And who are you?
I am the frog.
Come live with me.
The frog jumps into the house. Now they live together. A rabbit runs by, stops and asks,
Little house, who lives in the little house?
I do, the mouse.
I do, the frog.
And who are you?
I am the rabbit.
Come live with us.
The rabbit hops into the house. Now they live together as three. A fox walks by, knocks on the window and asks,
Little house, who lives in the little house?
I do, the mouse.
I do, the frog.
I do, the rabbit.
And who are you?
I am the fox.
Come live with us.
The fox climbs into the house. Now they live together as four. A wolf runs up, looks in the door, and asks,
Little house, who lives in the little house?
I do, the mouse.
I do, the frog.
I do, the rabbit.
I do, the fox.
And who are you?
I am the wolf.
Come live with us.
The wolf squeezes into the house. Now they live together as five. They live in the house and sing songs. Suddenly, a bear comes along. The bear sees the house, hears the songs, stops, and roars with all his might.
Little house, who lives in the little house?
I do, the mouse.
I do, the frog.
I do, the rabbit.
I do, the fox.
I do, the wolf.
And who are you?
I am the bear.
Come live with us.
The bear tries to get into the house. He tries and tries but can't fit, so he says,
I'll just live on your roof.
But you'll crush us.
No, I won't.
Well, go ahead.
The bear climbs onto the roof, and as soon as he sits down, crash, the house collapses. The house creaks, falls over, and collapses completely. The mouse, the frog, the rabbit, the fox, and the wolf barely manage to jump out, all safe and sound. They start carrying logs and sawing boards to build a new house. They build it better than before. This is a story about friendship, kindness, and the strength of unity. Even the smallest creatures can build a warm home when they care for each other. Though the little house broke, their bond held strong. Together they built something even better, with love, trust, and teamwork.
Amazing. See you.